bird flu is 100% lethal in our poultry. Our poultry are highly inbred. There is no genetic diversity. So you're not going to have some that survive, that develop immunity, and some that die. They're all going to die.
So the alternative is culling. I don't really even understand how that works. How do they decide what to cull?
Well, if you have infections on, within a poultry flock, they're all going to die anyway. So the idea is cull them, kill them. And to get it over with as quickly as possible. This also makes more economic sense because instead of waiting for them to die off one by one, you just get it all done with one foul swoop, and then you can decontaminate and repopulate. You can't repopulate until they've all died off because otherwise if you introduce new chickens into that farm, they're all just going to get reinfected.
What should we be rooting for if we want lower prices for eggs at home?
Well, one dirty little secret is importation of eggs is very cheap. The eggs that you would be getting from places like Mexico and so on would be a lot cheaper than what our poultry farmers can provide here. No one wants to do that because that would be really damaging to our own industry. So if you really want to protect our own industry, it means addressing things like biosecurity measures. We think that the bird flu may also be transmitted airborne, so it's not just direct contact. That would mean things like airtight barns where the animals are being kept. That's very costly. And then other measures like vaccination, not just for animals, but for people. But we're not making the progress we need to be on those fronts.